today I will show you how to do a powerhouse salad. Stay till the end. I have all the information at the end of what is in that salad that is so nutritious for you. We simply start by cooking beluga lentils that are sprouted, of course, and I cook it in the Instant Pot, and then it will be also in the recipe that you will receive with the information on how to make it. And then also quinoa, also sprouted, multicolored as well, where you have more nutrients. What I do to save time, because it gets mixed together, I just cook the beluga lentil and the quinoa together. And then that gives you this result, which is, when it's cooled down, you can put it in salad, you can add it to your soup, you can add it, I have it for breakfast with my other breakfast cereal. It's packed with nutrients. So what we do is we simply take, and of course I have my scale here, as you know, my dear friend scale. So I need 70 grams of beluga and 70 grams of quinoa. They're mixed together, so that gives us 140 grams. That will give us what I call a single serving. So, and that's why the recipe is so simple, right? Because if you want more servings, then you just multiply by what you need. So there we are. The next ingredient that we have in the salad is chickpeas, sprouted chickpeas that have been cooked as well. Same thing. When you cook them ahead of time, cook a larger quantity, you can add to your salad, to any dish that you make, to a soup. It's already cooked. So you cook more at the time and you keep it in your fridge. This I will add 70 grams, so that brings us to 210 now. 210. And then the next part that we add to the salad are, we will add cucumbers. We need 70 grams of cucumbers. I'm just going to, well, let me just put this on top here, see what happens. That cucumber is about 300 grams, so I want 70. So let me guess, maybe this? And so I was at 210, and that gives us 280. That's a little bit too much. So there you go, 280. Just like that. So I'll wait, I'll continue on this one. The next part is we need bell peppers. And I need another 70 grams, 280, so that brings us to 350. I had some pieces here cut ahead of time, so I thought I would use them. And I'm going to do some color, a mix of color, 350. So there you are. So that gives us our cucumber and our bell pepper. And then one thing that I need is also red onion. And I have them here. Red onion, as you guess, are more nutritious than the white onions. Let's just see what I have here. Just going to keep my dish here. So I need, of that, I need 10 grams. So we were at 250, we said. What did we say? 70, it was 70, 140, 70, 210. Then we added the cucumbers, 70 to 80. That's right, so 350. That's what, and I took them out. That's why I'm confused. I look at my scale now and I don't see my numbers that I had before. So don't take them out just yet, because we just keep adding. So 350, and we need 10 grams of this, so we go to 360, 10 grams of the red onion. There we go. So you see how easy that is? So now what happens is I take those out. I will cube the cucumber. And here we go. Cucumber. Always have a knife that is sharp. The sharper the knife, the safer it is. When it's not sharp, it will slip and then you might catch your finger. When I cut the bell pepper, I find that it's easier to cut on the opposite side of the skin. So I invite you to do that. This one I'll cut it differently. And then you dice it. dice the bell pepper, just like that. There we go. And we mince the onion. There we are. We mince the onion. And also we'll add some parsley to our recipe here. The trick with the parsley is you take it in your hand, and you see what I'm doing? I slide it until I get to the leafy part. This is not good. This is not good. There we go. To the leafy part here, because of course that's the one that is more palatable than the rest of the parsley here, which you can keep. You can keep that and add to, you mince it and add to your soup if you like. But in my salad, I rather have only the leafy part. There. And then my scraper, which is right here. I add all of this to my dish here. And you mix. So when you have your quinoa cooked ahead of time, your chickpeas cooked ahead of time, you see how quick it is to make? And then, you know, depending on how many you need to make, how many salad you need to make, you just multiply. And then, let's put it on a plate here. And you get to see the beautiful colors. Look at this. Isn't it gorgeous? And now what we'll do, we will prepare the dressing. And you'll see how simple it is to make the dressing. Just going to keep my bell pepper. I use a little blender because I will make a small recipe of dressing. So that's what I like about the Blendtec. That's the blender that I have. Okay, so we start with 60 grams of water. And of course, it's filtered water. And then we had 30 grams of apple cider vinegar. Some. And then freshly pressed or cold press. You can press it ahead of time, of course. But do your own lemon juice. The lemon juice that you get that is already done in a store is pasteurized. And it's, the taste, the taste is metallic-like. It's really not nice. We need 40 grams of that. Oh yeah, I'm good. 40 grams is about, well, 40 grams is 40 milliliters as well. So that's easy that way. And there we are. And then to that, we add garlic. I don't have fresh garlic, so I will use powdered garlic. It is 5 grams of the fresh, so I will put half a teaspoon of the powder. Half teaspoon of the powdered garlic. And then we need a teaspoon, if it was a full recipe, of the basil. So I will do half and half of oregano. And then the other element that we add to this dressing are the sprouted sunflower seeds, 40 grams. So as you can see, I am not using oil. Oil is a refined. It's a refined food. It's processed, right? The entire olives would be better to eat than the oil. So I love olive oil. I use it a little bit, but a dressing would ask quite a bit, so I don't use it there. And then a little bit of 2 turns of the fresh cracked pepper. And of course, you know me, I love that ingredient. It's the sea moss that has 92 of the 102 minerals that we need. But this company is awesome because it doesn't taste fishy at all. I'm sure you heard me say that in the past, and it is. It's just absolutely fabulous. Then we blend. Et voilà. Beautiful and creamy. So with the sunflower seed, it makes it creamy. You could use cashews if you like. You could use hemp hearts if you like. But not almonds would not give you maybe as creamy. So look at this. Look at this. There you go. Look at this dish. Doesn't it look absolutely delicious? It's quick, as you say, it's quick. And now you have your dressing made, so you keep it up to 2 weeks. And then when you cook your quinoa, your chickpeas, you can also freeze them, you have them. Now, let me tell you, as I said, I was going to tell you what's in the salad, and it's pretty amazing. So what we have in the salad, come on, oops. There we go. Got it to be bigger now. Easier for me to read. So the beluga lentils are high in dietary fiber and folate, and black lentil, such as beluga, because there is green, there is red, but the black one have more nutrition, possess the same powerful antioxidant found in berries, like blueberries and blackberries. The antioxidants are great for preventing damage to the cell-free radicals. You heard of the blueberries and the blackberries, how good they are for you, for cancer? Same thing. So it's really high antioxidant. The quinoa is gluten-free and packed with nutrients like protein, zinc, fiber, folate, and antioxidants again. Quinoa doesn't take long to prepare, and you could add it to your diet in both sweet and savory dishes. It has a nutty flavor. Chickpeas, they help with digestion. Chickpeas are high in dietary fiber, especially a soluble fiber called raffinose. And that's what some people, if you don't cook your chickpeas and soak your chickpeas, that's what would create more of gas. But if you soak, and in my case sprout, it's ideal. From a can, I wouldn't suggest. Do it yourself. You have also the way to do it in my YouTube in other videos. And then if you do have a problem with gas, eat a little bit, like a tablespoon. Get used to it, because you have to wake up those microbes that haven't been busy doing that sort of food, because you didn't eat that for a long time. Eat the beans. They are very, very nutritious. It helps cholesterol, and it gives you stronger bone and boosts your mental health. There you go. Cucumber, promote weight loss. They're low in calorie, rich in water and fiber. They prevent dehydration, cancer, maintaining cardiovascular health, reduce blood pressure, manage diabetes, reduce skin inflammation, help with detox the body. Eat your cucumbers. Bell peppers, excellent source of vitamin C. It's not only in oranges, and actually there is more vitamin C in bell pepper than oranges. Look at that. Which helps your body absorb iron and heal the wounds. And as you know, iron is very important for your red blood cells. It increases the oxygen in the body, and so your red blood cells, your blood is better. Contain dietary fiber, which help promote digestive health. Antioxidants, again, properties help protect against diseases and as cardiovascular diseases and some cancers. It's just amazing. As I told you, it's just amazing, that salad. Contain zeaxanthin. It's a carotenoid. Oh, I'm telling you in English sometimes it's like blah, blah, blah. Carotenoid help maintain the integrity of the macula and protect the eyesight. and effective in preventing memory loss in those with Alzheimer. There you go, that's the bell pepper. Red onion, twice as much quercetin as the white. And quercetin is 14 times the amount, and then it's 14 times the amount of that in garlic. Oh my gosh, garlic has 14 times more. Help reduce your risk of heart disease by lowering blood pressure, managing cholesterol levels, and reducing inflammation. You see? And then parsley. Parsley is vitamin K, is important contributing to bone health. Parsley is rich vitamin C and other antioxidants. It reduces the risk of serious health conditions like diabetes, stroke, heart disease, cancer. It's also an excellent source of vitamin A. That's what you have in that salad. I told you, this is amazing. It's made in no time. You can make the certain ingredients ahead of time, like the quinoa and the beluga lentil and the chickpea. And after that, you just have to cut and add. And then you start the dressing in no time. So really, you know, this is like, it's eating to heal. That's literally what it is. You are eating to heal. The answer is on your plate.